Hello again, this is Aristoi Garage. I'm doing a follow-up video of how we installed the cowl that was recommended from a YouTube video in a professional environment where somebody was installing a cowl for the 1970 Mustang fastback. Turns out that the flange for the vent cowl, the side cowl, was inaccessible through spot welds, actually plug welds. Ford originally was able to install it with spot welds, and I cut those out and removed the old cowl. They recommended that you use a product called 3M08115. It's a panel bonding adhesive that is very strong, and it's proclaimed to be stronger than welds. It gets as strong as steel. And if I can get in there close enough, I'll show you what I'm talking about. You can see there, from here all the way along the flange for the side cowl was the application of the 3M product 08115. Very good. They claim that it's stronger than welds, and it was a small portion of the cowl. The rest of the cowl was welded with plug welds. This appears to be a very good resolve to the problem of attaching that portion of the cowl to what I call the vent cowl, or the side cowl. This is the driver's side. You can see a bit of a mess was made. There was excess that I had to wipe away. Being that the stuff is tough as steel, I hope it doesn't interfere with the installation of the dash, all the excess, where the dash gets bolted in. That's the driver's side. And you can see up here the welding that was done. I'm still yet to apply seam sealer, but the seam is rather tight. It's just I'd rather put seam sealer anyway. And we go all the way over here. We'll show you the other side. You can see I sprayed rust encapsulator. We used a lot of that stuff and rust reformer, even where there was no rust, just to make sure in the seams. Before I applied seam sealer, I would put the rust reformer. Expensive but effective. And here we go on the passenger side. You can see that seam that's right here. It's very, very hard. I tried drilling through it previously, and it was harder than metal to actually drill through. That actually caused some complications, but it does its job. The cowl is securely placed where the vent cowl or the side cowl connects to the the cowl itself. Let me see if there's lighting enough that I can show you what I'm talking about. But it runs along this edge here, and there's a thick gob of the 8115 right here, and it goes all the way up, and it made for very good adhesive. And I still have some seam seal that I need to apply down here before I install the vents and everything else on the car. I'll show you the 3M08115 product. It's a panel bonding adhesive that's very effective, very, very strong. This is it right here, 3M08115. If you need panel bonding done in places where you can't get to weld, this stuff is highly recommended. Panel bonding adhesive. You have to purchase the gun for it separately, and that's this here. And it comes with the tips, but you might want to buy extra tips, because once you use this stuff and it mixes, because it's an epoxy like compound, that you'll need additional tips in order to apply the product itself. And we've done that, and we use this not very extensively, but it's very helpful in certain areas when you're restoring a car. Signing off now, Aristoi Garage.